Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. There are some changes to the 2024 Acura TLX, one of which being you can connect your cell phone wirelessly now using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So we're going to go to Phone right here. We're going to go to Connect Phone and Connect New Device. Now, what you'll need to do is make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and you're going to go down here to hands-free link. You'll scroll all the way to the bottom. That's where this should be located, and we're going to select hands-free link. And then it's going to ask us to pair, so we're going to select pair. We're going to select allow. You'll also want to hit pair on the screen right there, and it's going to start the process. This is actually very easy. I think you could use the hunt and peck method to figure it out if you wanted to. We will go to, you can either use Bluetooth right here, or if you want to change to CarPlay, which I am going to do, then we will do that. That's how easy it is to make that happen. We're going to hit continue right there. And there we go. We're finished. That's how easy it is to connect your phone. So that's one of the changes to the 2024 Acura TLX. If you have any requests for specific tutorials, please be sure to share that down in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.